welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get to work on Sims 4. So first, you will need a job, of course. So you are going to select your phone, and then you are going to select business, and then you're going to select find a job. Just going to wait for it to load. It's quite lagging today, so sorry about that. What is this? Is this the one that's finding a job? Okay, there you go. So these are all the jobs that you can choose. So for instance, if the day is red, that means you don't go to work, but the rest you do go to work. So let's find one that's on Sunday, so we can kind of fast forward it. Oh, are they all the same? No. Okay, this is, what time is it now? 10:30. I'm just going to choose writer for now and press the checkmark button once you're done. Oh, so I work in 2 days. So I might just fast forward it. Well, try to fast forward it. As you can see, she has work in 30 minutes. So I'm just going to fast forward it a little bit. So here there's a go to work button and you can just select it, or she's going to go to work by herself. So you just need a courier, to be honest, and she can go to work by herself and she's going to go do her work. And she gone. That's it, really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!